for you. Don't get take a look at the blinds. I mean the curtains. We don't have self curtains there. Right. Lots of dirt around here. Still got picked up and that's good, eh? Alright. No, error! God. Already I made it get an error by accidentally leaning forward while I was cleaning under the chair. And apparently the red light came on and it's just whatever. Nice. Do not clean my room. Do not. Oh God. Jeez, such a fun. Sticks. Whatever you call them. Don't go in my room. Please do not go in my room. Stay out of my room. Out. Okay. Twisty and turny and all that kind of stuff. Okay. It makes more than 60 suggestions. Well, I heard said it makes more than 60 suggestions per second for behaviors. So that's why it's doing all this. I'm trying to clean that. Hey, Roomba, get off the curtains. There, you can clean. Okay, clean that. No, don't get stuck. Okay. Alright, let's open. Sorry. There's the Roomba. Get the Roomba.